Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Wine on Ubuntu 22.04. To avoid compatibility issues and improve the performance of your Ubuntu 22.04, run the update command to refresh the package list. Then, you can use the following command to upgrade the installed packages on your system. Once the upgrading process is finished, all your system packages will be upgraded to the latest release. Next, enabling the 32-bit architecture is necessary to use Wine on a 64-bit Ubuntu system. Thus, executing the provided command allows you to install and run 32-bit Windows applications through Wine. Next, you can create a dedicated folder, such as keyrings, for storing security keys or keyrings on your local machine. Next, the following command is essential for downloading the Wine repository key to the keyrings directory. Next, utilize the following command to download and add the Wine repository source file to your local machine. Continue to run the update command to refresh your Ubuntu package list and update with the new installations. Upon completing the above steps, your system will be ready to install the Wine package. Next, use the command from the terminal to begin the installation process of Wine on your Ubuntu system. During the installation, if you didn't encounter any errors, it indicates that you have successfully installed the Wine package on your Ubuntu 22.04. After that, you can confirm the installation of the Wine package through the following command. For example, we will install version 8.6 of the text editor Notepad++. First, access the GUI on the Ubuntu server and open Terminal. Next, change the working directory to the install file location. Then, run the following commands to install the application. After that, complete the installation steps. Now, run the following command if you want to remove the Wine package completely. In your terminal, you can notice the process of removing the package files. Next, you can verify the removal of Wine by using the following command. You can see that Wine is no longer available on your Ubuntu 22.04 system.